What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. Today is a very exciting day because we are going to get the Skyline back on the road. Now, I've owned the R32 for about 6 years and I've been driving it as a weekend car. It is a car that I take out of my garage. I drive it to my mechanic so that it can go through the checks and give it a good big green tick to make sure that it's still roadworthy. Then I drive it all the way back home again, park it up in my garage, basically leave it for 6 months, only to then take it out of the garage to repeat the process. And that's basically the extent of how much I drive this R32. It has low Ks, it's a pretty tidy car. It has a couple of imperfections, but it's basically a garage queen. Now, it did just pass its WAF. It flew through flying colors, and well, I'm probably just going to drive it back home and park it in my garage just so it can sit for another 6 months. This had me thinking about how many Skylines, how many Silvias, Supras, RX-7s, how many JDM cars are out on the road today, and to be honest with you, I'm seeing less and less on the road that's being able to be driven legally. Now, I don't know if people are doing the same thing that I'm doing, driving them to get WAF and then taking them back home. Maybe pop down in the comments of what you think is happening. Most cars that I'm seeing that are modified are illegal, so it's still pretty awesome to see the odd one still on the road. But anyway, the R32 passed its WAF and I might just drive it for today. Then we'll just go back to the garage.
Nathan.
Yeah.
Guess what happened?
What happened? Did you fail? Did you fail?
No, I passed.
Oh, that's good. That's
I
good.
passed, bro.
That's good. What?
So I was coming down this road, right?
Yeah.
This road here.
Yeah.
And I ripped first, slapped into second. I miss that car. I really do miss that car.
You should drive it more then, rather than once every 6 months for a warrant of fitness.
Oh, Nathan. Yeah, he's in it. He's really in it now. Yes, bro. Come on. So this is my humble little garage, and inside of it is a Nathan. Oh.
Hi. So we're basically moving JD's toolbox and his tools, which we've taken out of the toolbox, and we're going to take it to our workplace. Loaded up, ready to go.
Get the wiggle test.
That's not going anywhere.
It's such a Kiwi, bro.
If you don't do that, it will go somewhere.
You're such
somewhere
a
you don't
Kiwi.
want it to go.
Not on the motorway.
Do you know, I feel like a beekeeper. They like come in here, bro. They get up in the morning, they put their mask on like this, and they come up to their bees and they pull them out and they stick their hand in there, pull the honey out, and they put that bad boy on their toast.
Goodbye, toolbox.
It's a windy and cold one today, but at least the sun's out for now. Anyway, we're at our workplace. This is where what we do 9 to 5 is just move stuff on the trailer. No, that's not true. We make videos. We make videos for different companies and organizations and stuff. That's what we do. We have our own business, which is fantastic. And then when we're not doing that, we're making videos for you guys, and we haven't done that in a little while. So it's stoked to be doing that recently. We've moved the toolboxes, which is fantastic, on the trailer. And if you come inside, I'll show you where they're gonna go. So this here is our what we call our gear cage. So when we are doing shoots and stuff, this is where all of our camera equipment goes, and we can pack in, pack out, and go to the location and shoot videos and photos and stuff, and then we bring it all back here. And so these toolboxes here are actually just for camera equipment. There's just camera equipment in there, which is fantastic. And then obviously we have some wheels and storage and different things going on. But what we plan to do is chuck the toolboxes, the ones with tools in them, along this side. And then we'll be able to work on cars over there or in the car park or wherever, which is fantastic, using the tools in the toolboxes. But then also it's multi-purpose because for our day-to-day job, we've got all of our camera gear stored away in there. So we're gonna move the toolboxes now, get them in here, it's gonna be mint.
So most of these drawers are as organized as, well, Nathan's closet at home.
Actually, I'll have to know my closet's very organized. There's nothing wrong with my closet, thank you very much. But it's just got the basics in it, nothing crazy, but it'll be enough for us to get done with a bunch of stuff that we want to get done. And eventually, one day, I'm gonna move all my tools across as well, and one day we're gonna have our own workshop.
Where are you gonna put it?
Well, probably not for a while, but one day when we can afford it, we could have a workshop with hoists and our projects.
Blue toolboxes or red?
Blue is for work and red is for those car dudes. So blue is for Fratelli Media, red is for those car dudes.
I like it.
Simple. Awesome, so we have successfully brought our toolbox in, or JD's toolbox anyway, and we've filled it with the tools, organized it, we've got a few stuff on the shelf as well, and it just means that we're gonna be able to do more things out of this space, which is very, very cool.
That's right, Nathan. We're gonna be using that space down there, which will be so cool. And well, I mean, it's probably shouldn't be saying it, but it's not really our space to be using, but
I mean, it's a shared space, but this is our space, so we can definitely do stuff out of here, and then maybe a little bit out there in the car park or whatever. But yeah, very, very cool. It means, and it's only going to get better. Like, this is just the start. It just means we have a central location we can do stuff from. So I'm stoked about it. I think it's going to be great.
it's gonna be so good, Nathan.
Well guys, so that wraps up this episode. Thanks so much for hanging out today. It's been cool to get some stuff done, get the R32 waffed and regged and legal and on the road and stance boy.
We've actually achieved a lot. Like JD said, we got some wafts. I got a waft for the trailer. We moved some tools in here, organized some stuff, and we also broke one of our most expensive lenses, which is fantastic.
That's just how life goes sometimes.
That's
Nathan.
just how it is. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We cannot wait to see you in the next video. Hit that sub button and have a good one. Peace out.
Peace out.